Hello friends, I am getting lot of queries and lot of questions from the students about the recent NMC bill. I know you all are curious, you all are anxious about it and you are worried about it, what will happen. But please calm down, let the dust settle. All this will actually pass on to everybody. The conditions will be same for all the students. And let me tell you, this bill is only passed in the cabinet right now, and this is a very long procedure. This will go to the Lok Sabha, then it will go to the Rajya Sabha, and all these things take time. Many times they take about 3 to 4 years to implement. So let us not create a fuss about it. Let us take rest and do maximum of study. Try to focus on your paper, because whatever will take place, that will be same for every student. Don't waste your time. Whatever be the pattern, ultimately it is your hard work which is putting in these subjects will work. So you will have to study anyhow, whether there is next, whether there is need. Okay. So if you are wasting this precious time in discussing the important changes which are taking place in the bill, that will not help you. But if you are keeping this time for studying, for focusing, then this will help you. Plus, the NEET will be there. There will be NEET in 2020. So there is no change for you people right now. Keep on studying, keep on focusing. Don't waste your important time, I will say. And whatever will be the changes, as soon as we are getting the important updates, we will notify you. You are in safe hands. We will tell you every important detail that will come into our respect. Thank you and keep studying.